If you're getting ready to turn 62 and you want to draw your own Social Security, and you're like, I didn't work that much, I was in and out of the workforce, I was a stay-at-home mom a little while and part-time job, but I'm tired. And since I can claim it at 62, I want to. Give me my money. It's not very much, but you are hopeful that when your spouse later takes his own Social Security, you'll be able to switch to a spousal benefit and give yourself a raise. And in most cases, that is going to be possible. You can't draw off your spouse until your spouse takes his own Social Security. So typically it seems like if you want to take yours at 62, he probably wants to wait till 65. It just seems like that's what I see the most common. So he wants to wait 3 or 4 more years. When he takes his, you can take your marriage license down to the Social Security office and say, hey, how much could I get as a spouse on my husband's work record? Drawing off your spouse will not reduce his Social Security at all, will not impact him. It's just based off of his amount. Now, the fact that you drew yours early, you took yours at 62, that is the determining factor of how much you're going to get when your spouse draws, because you already agreed to a reduction. You took yours early, you agreed to a 30% reduction of your own benefits. That reduction will follow you to your spousal benefits. So even though you wait till your full retirement age, let's say 67, you wait 5 years to draw as a spouse. And you're like, well, I always heard if you wait till your full retirement age, I can get the full 50% off my spouse. No, that doesn't apply here because you already started your own Social Security early. So even though you wait till your full retirement age to draw as a spouse, you're still limited because you drew yours early. The most you can draw as a spouse will be 30%. If you want to see all these other numbers, if you draw at 63, 4, or 5, you can get it all on my Social Security cheat sheet. It is free. Check the link in my bio or go to my website, themedicarefamily.com. Under the resources tab, click on cheat sheet. Because when you're making these retirement decisions, you need to know if you're giving up a lot of money, how much you're giving up and how much more you get if you decided to wait just a couple more years to draw your benefit. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.